That's how to use AI models locally for free. Hello guys, my name is Aliyan Jabbar and I've been building scalable software solutions with AI integrations for the past 2 years. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run powerful AI models locally using Ollama. So let's get started without wasting your time.
Okay, so first of all, you have to go to ollama.com. After opening ollama.com, you have to scroll down. Here you will be able to find the download button. From here, you will be able to download Ollama for your operating system. For me, it is Windows, so I will just download it. But I've already downloaded the Ollama setup, so I will not download it again. Double click the Ollama setup and click on install. Now we'll just wait it to completely install the setup. Okay, so after the installation complete, see the graphical user interface of the Ollama application. We are just gonna close it and we'll go to the command prompt and search Ollama space -- version. If you are able to see Ollama version, it means that you have successfully installed Ollama. Now the next step will be to run a model. So for this, we'll search Ollama list, and here the Ollama is showing the models that I have installed previously. So I have these 3 models installed. In these models, I'm likely to run the Gemma 3 1 million model. I will just run Ollama run Gemma 3 1 billion parameters. And I will just send a message to it. And there you go. If you want to run any other model than Gemma 3 1 billion, then you can go to ollama.com, scroll above, and go to the models tab to find different models from different organizations. Like if you want to install the Qwen 3.5, just copy the command, paste in your command prompt, and it will start downloading the model for you. The one thing that you should take care about is that you should think about the size of the model. The size of the model should be less than the RAM you have. Like if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, the maximum size you should run is 4 gigabytes or lesser. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, you should run the model with the lesser size. If you run the model with the lesser size, the performance, the speed of the model will be higher. So take care about this, and that's it from my side. Hope you like the video. If you have any query related to the Ollama setup, comment down. I'll make sure to reply.